how to turn off Walmart notifications on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can turn off notifications for the Walmart app on iPhone, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you want to turn off notifications for Walmart on iPhone, go ahead and then make sure to launch the settings application. Go to notifications. From notifications, you can look for the Walmart application inside this section. If you do find them, that's perfectly fine. You can select Walmart and then just turn off the toggle like this. But in case you don't find Walmart there, just scroll a bit further up below and then you'll find the option called Series Suggestions, where you want to tap on Series Suggestions and then just go to this option called Walmart, right? So you might want to scroll all the way to the bottom until you look for Walmart, and then just make sure to turn off the toggle next to Walmart. And when you turn off the toggle next to Walmart, you will no longer receive notifications from the Walmart app. This way you'll be able to go ahead and then turn off Walmart notifications on iPhone. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.